Right. Next step will be B equals to, this will be as it is, u naught I into n divided by 2 into r square by r cube. Integral dx is what? X, limits minus L to plus L. Okay, that's all. Almost we are at the end of the derivation. Okay, so upper limit plus L, lower limit minus L, L plus minus L. Minus of minus L will become plus L. So this is, let me do one more step. B equals to u naught I into n divided by 2 into r square by r cube into upper limit L minus lower limit minus L. So this is B equals to u naught I, okay, by 2 into r square by r cube n into 2n. What is that n into 2l, children? We defined at the beginning, let n equals to n by 2l be the number density of the solenoid, number of turns per unit length. So then capital N will become what? N into 2l. So here what I do? B equals to mu naught I by 2 into r square by r cube into capital N. The same thing now. What is that? This B equals to u naught into I into n, एक साथ, right? Pi r square by pi r cube, multiplying and dividing. The 2 is there as it is, divided by 2. Pi r square is nothing but what? Area. So this is B equals to mu naught into I into n into A divided by 2 pi r cube. Okay. So this I will replace with what? M. So B equals to mu naught into m by 2 pi r cube. And then I multiply with and divide with 2. So therefore B equals to mu naught by 2 pi will become 4 pi, m will become 2m by r cube. Over. Pen is also over. So this is the magnetic field produced by a bar magnet. So your solenoid also will produce the same magnetic field. Electric field बोले तो 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2p by r cube. Electric dipole का. Magnetic dipole is nothing but a bar magnet. Also will produce the same magnetic field mu naught by 4 pi, similar magnetic field 2m by r cube. Therefore your solenoid field and the bar magnetic field both will be what? Identical. They have the similar properties. So the field lines produced by a bar magnet are also similar to the field lines produced by a solenoid. Okay. So therefore a current carrying solenoid now will behave like a bar magnet, or a current carrying solenoid equivalently can be treated as a bar magnet. Okay. So now what do you write here? This is the field produced by bar magnet. Okay. So therefore a solenoid, current carrying solenoid is treated as an equivalent of a bar magnet. So the dipole moment how much? M equals to INA. Okay. Right. If you draw the magnetic field lines, how they will be? So therefore the field produced by a solenoid is similar to that of a bar magnet. So field lines resemble now. कौन सा field lines? Field lines of solenoid and field lines of bar magnet. So if you have a bar magnet here, the north pole, and this is what? South pole. if you have a solenoid here, like this, if current is going, right hand thumb rule use karna hai, the magnetic field should come like this. So it will be like this. So if current is circulating like this, clockwise direction or anti-clockwise, this clockwise only. If current is circulating in the clockwise direction, this part is above the plane of the board, this part is behind the board of the board, plane of the board. Then field line will be like this here, and other field lines will be like this. Sorry. Like this. So here field lines. So for bar magnets, similarly you have drawn in class 10th, right? So they originate from North Pole and they terminate at what? South Pole, like this. So what is our conclusion? A current carrying solenoid will behave like a bar magnet. And draw the pattern of field lines means both field lines you have to draw like this. Okay. Thank you. I will stop the video here. Okay. So if we start the next topic, we will not finish. We cannot finish it. Okay. Thank you.